Hi guys, this is Patty. Just brought you in to show you my little quick meal. These are hamburger steaks and I made them up with my usual seasonings, and I added about, this is about 2 pounds, and I added about, I'll say a half tablespoon of mayo and mixed it all well with my seasonings that I normally use. And I cut up onions after I seared all of my patties. I cut up onions, and then I had about 2 tablespoons of oil in the skillet, and I put 2 tablespoons of flour to make my roux, and here it is. It's just the way I want it. Made my patties, and you can use the seasonings of your choice. To name a few, I used the twin onion and garlic powder, some parsley flakes, and some Calvinder's Greek seasoning. I love that stuff. It is good. If you have not tried it, it adds so much flavor, and here it is. Calvinder's all-purpose Greek seasoning. It is good. And I went to my pantry and opened some English peas, sweet peas, and I'm cooking them. I added a little butter, a little pepper, a little garlic powder, garlic salt, a teaspoon of sugar, and a little margarine to that. And of course, I cooked my rice, and there is my rice. So I'm having rice and gravy and hamburger steak patties and English peas. And when I get it all plated, I will show you that. And I've steamed my patties for about 45 minutes, and I'll come back and show you when I put this on the plate. This is the finished product. It is delicious, and here it is. Simple but so flavorful. Please like, share, subscribe, follow, ring the notification bell to be reminded of all uploads, and don't forget to give me the thumbs up. This is Patty. I thank you for watching. I thank you for subscribing. I love each and every one of you. Bye.